Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to do system restore in Windows 7. So system restore helps us to restore our system to a state when it was working perfectly fine. System restore is useful in a situation when our system runs into some sort of problem after installing some third party software on our system, or after we have done some sort of changes in the registry value of the system, leading to a problem in our system. So to fix all those types of issues, we use system restore. So the way to do the system restore is just restart your system and when the system will restart, just press F8 key or function along with the F8 key, whatever is working fine in your system. So in my system, function along with the F8 key works. So just check whether it works in your system or not. If function along with the F8 key didn't work in your system, then just try pressing the F8 key only. Now on this window, just select this repair your computer option. It is selected by default, and just press enter on your keyboard. Now use the tab key to select the next button, and after selecting the next button using the tab key, just hit enter. Now just choose the username. So I am choosing my username by using the arrow keys. So just select whatever the user name you want to select, and after that just press tab twice to select the OK button. Now hit enter. Okay, we haven't entered the password. Just press enter button and enter the password. Now press the tab button to select the OK button and hit enter. So you can see that the startup repair is selected by default. Now use the tab key to move down to the system restore. After this, just hit enter. Now use the tab key to select the next button and hit enter. So I had created a restore point today, and it is showing the restore point selected for 290820. So I had already created this restore point in my system, so that if there is any problem in my system, then I can easily recover it by using the system restore method. So if you don't know how to create system restore point in your system, then just watch the above video. So the system restore point is by default selected, so I don't have to do anything. Now just press the tab key and keep on pressing it until next button is selected. Now just press enter key. And now press the tab key until the finish button is selected. After the finish button is selected, just hit enter and it will restore the system to the restore point that we had created. So this is how we can do system restore in Windows 7. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.